Ovo kada ako muzyczka emisija Hard and Heavy. Ovo pa imame novi sogovornici, se nahojame na Metal Days ovogodišnji od 2016. godine, pokraj mene se novite sogovornici, so koji već pred 2 godine imame praveno intervju na ovo isto mesto. Stanува zbor za momčina koji ni dođat od Barcelona, Katalonija, momčina koji ne guvat folk metal i to katalonski funk metal. Stanува zbor za band od Dracum. First, welcome to TV show Hard and Heavy.
Hello, thanks. Welcome.
You be 2 years before and here. You have EP. When the be?
Well, we have 1 album and 1 EP.
One album and 1 EP.
Yes, we have 2 new releases.
Now you have the new material, new album.
Yeah, we released our last and first album, long album in 2014, in November it was, and then this last year in December we released the new EP. It's called Trollmin. That it has something with Tolmin. With here, it's Tolmin. Yeah, we played
just
a little.
Like a troll, huh?
We played a little with the trolls and the Tolmin essence. Yes. And we have been here just promoting a bit this new music. Yes, the new songs.
Yeah. Tell me, where take it the name of the band Dracum, just like a Dracu.
Well, it was funny because when I started the band, I wanted one name with 1 key and 1 M in the name, just so we see it like that. And just looking around, we found Dracum with C as Latin word, that it was dragon, and we like a lot this mythical animal, and we thought that it could be funny to do all things, so we put Dracum with the K, and we like the name. It's good.
How many years exists the band?
How many years?
Years exists.
Yeah, we started in 2009, and we have been about 7 years doing recording and having some gigs, and it was fun.
Tell me, for the new album, we are recording how many songs?
Yes, the new the album, it has 10 songs. And then the new EP, that is Trollmin, it has 6 songs, and mainly it's a conceptual, conceptual album that it talks about trolls. You know, trolls versus Viking warrior. And
like a first album and like an EP, you have instruments, violin.
We still have, and we have also now the bagpipe and flute.
Flutes, I remember.
And we have the violin, keyboard, and yes, we like to do this kind of metal with some folkloric and traditional sounds.
Now you are older 2 years and very serious now. We are working interview. Before 2 years, you're not many serious.
It's kind of better. Yeah, sure.
But you have positive. Rockers, metals, doesn't matter, in positives. Keep on rocking.
Of course.
And never surrender. And tell me, where take it inspiration for lyrics? Who write the lyrics? Because your lyrics from the paganism and etc.
Yeah, what I mean, in the album, each song has a different lyricals from drinks like whiskey or absinthe, you know,
or just
probably
complicare, vodka.
Beer, quite similar to
wine.
That. Quite similar to that. And also in the new EP, it's more, as I said, it's more conceptual, and it's more about trolls and Vikings. It's like that, not more. Just fighting, trolls, a lot of fun, a lot of party, and a lot of deaths also, and it's all that. And for this EP, it's we had a lot of inspiration in the surroundings of here of Tolmin. This is why we have done this words play, because we love this place, and it's very important for us. We have learned a lot of things here. We have lived a lot of good experiences, so this why we use this.
You're talking to the drink, but I don't have a drink, beer, wine, or you have only water. Why the problem now?
We have been drinking all this yesterday, all the day.
You must driving?
No. Of course, we are here all the week, enjoying all the bands. But today, now now we will start to drink because we have a lot of hours in front. So don't worry that we are all day drinking.
Yeah.
So it's,
And for the end, what do you like to say for Macedonian metal fans?
for us, it's quite fun because the colors are the same as for our flag,
Yeah.
the red and the yellow. And so just Macedonia, it's not a very known country in Europe, but it's nice that this kind of underground surroundings and metal, it's you know, in the small countries are more difficult to enjoy this the metal programs and television. It's very important for us, as in Spain also, to have people like you that promote the bands and all that, you know. So just rock on and listen heavy metal music.
Yeah, we support the metal, we promotion the metal, and you support the metal and you promotion the metal.
Sure.
Never die metal, doesn't matter, folk, progressive, dead, black,
Doesn't matter.
sinful, gotham, metal is metal and kick your ass. Strong together, we never shall fall.